Hello, welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Lata and
Ammo. Today we are going to make South Indian style Channa Masala, which is a perfect combination for chapati, poori and idiyappam. This is very delicious and aromatic. Let's see how to make this recipe.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video. Okay, let's start.
Let's start making the recipe. I have 150 grams of channa soaked for 8 hours and ready. Add it to the cooker. Add half teaspoon of salt. Pour water until the channa dips fully in the water. Set the cooker pressure and wait for 4 whistles. Turn off the cooker after 4 whistles. Let's keep aside to cool. Meanwhile, let's roast the masala ingredients. Add 2 cinnamon to the pan, 3 cloves, 1 star anise, 3 cardamom, 1 bay leaf, 1 dry red chilli, 1 stone flower, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel, 3/4 teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon pepper, and roast it lightly. Masala ingredients roasted. Let's shift it to a plate to cool it. Meanwhile, let's do the grinding. Add 2 medium-sized onions to the mixie and grind it smoother. Add 2 medium-sized tomatoes to the mixie and grind it smoother. Then add the cool off masala ingredients and grind it. Cooker pressure is settled. Let's open and see if cooked well. Channa has cooked nicely and softer. Let it be there. Meantime, let's use a pan and start making the channa masala. Add 4 tablespoons of oil. Once it heats, add 1 green chilli and 1 inch of ginger crushed together. As you roasted, you can sense a nice smell of the chilli and ginger. Then add the ground onion we have. Roast it until it turns golden color.
Ammo, onion roasted well next.
Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes until the raw smell goes away. Ginger garlic paste sauteed. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and 1½ teaspoon of coriander powder and saute until the raw smell goes away. Now add the ground tomatoes and continue to saute until the tomatoes cook well and the raw smell goes away and oil separates. Tomatoes sauteed nicely. With that, add the ground masala we made. Saute for 1 minute. Then add the cooked channa with water into the pan. Mix well. Add 1½ teaspoon of salt.
Let's add some water. It's too thick. Channa has a lot of protein. We can make this for children more often. Ammu, shall we open and see? Is the thickness enough?
Enough. Cooked nicely with perfect thickness. At this point, add half lemon juice. With that, add 1 cube butter. Gives a nice aromatic smell and taste. It's a spoon of butter. You can add even a tablespoon of butter if you want. Mix it well and add coriander leaves. At this stage, you can check salt and spice and adjust to your taste. Chana masala is ready. Tasty chana masala is ready. Please try making this and let us know in the comments section how it tasted.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thanks for watching our video.